Remove the old brush segments by inserting the latch tool through a hole on top of the Gutterbroom plate into the latch. Pull the rod firmly towards yourself, releasing the latch from the brush segment. Pull on the brush bristles outwards to remove the brush segments from the holder. Clean and remove any stones and/or debris from holders and latches prior to installing the new brush segments. Holding the brush segment at an angle, insert the brush segment into the holder clips. Pushing down and inwards towards the Gutterbroom motor will force the brush segment into the holder correctly. Insert the latch tool into a hole on top of the Gutterbroom plate. Push the latch tool away from yourself, locking the Gutterbroom brush segment into place with the latch. Pull outwards firmly on the brush bristles to ensure that the segment is secure and will not fall off during the sweeping operations.